We have come across the terms Q and T. Q is the net charge, which is expressed in coulombs, and T is the time expressed in seconds. Those are the standard institution units, SI units, what we are dealing with now. So, the current is defined as a rate of flow of the net charge in a unit time. Rate of flow of charge in a unit time. That is, I is equal to Q by T. Q is expressed in coulombs and T is expressed in seconds, and it is coulombs per second, and the value of the current, which is equal to 6.6 into 10 power 18 joules. Charge is in joules. Charge is, this is in coulombs per second, what we said. 6 into 10 power 18 electrons. Of course, if we consider the value of this in terms of electrons, the charge of the electrons are negatively charged particles whose charge is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. The charge of one electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, from which the value of the current, the definition of the current has been derived as 6 into 10 power 18 electrons. That is equivalent to the charge contained in nearly that much electron. The value of I is 6 into 10 power 18 electrons, the charge contained in this much volume. So the electric current is expressed in ampere. Of course, this is a coulombs per second, what we have derived here. But the particular name of this name given to this unit is ampere. Ampere is the name of the scientist who invented the value. That is why his on his name the unit has been defined. So 1 ampere is equal to Q by T. 1 ampere is equal to Q by T. That is the rate of flow of charge per second. Ampere is defined as the rate of flow of charge per second. So small quantities of current are expressed in, if we consider some less than 1 ampere current, you can see in your cell phone batteries, on your cell phone batteries, it is specially mentioned how much current it is. 1000 milliampere hours, 1500, 3000 milliampere hours, like that the specifications are given. So when you come across such things, you just watch what are the contents written on the battery, and what is the material of which it is made of. Lithium ion battery, like nickel cadmium ion batteries, like that the specifications, everything will be given on the battery, and on this battery you can clearly observe the current specifications also presented. So if we goes on for such values, low values, that is milliamperes or microamperes. Milliampere means 10 to the power minus 3 amperes, and microamperes means 10 to the power minus 6 amperes. Current is measured with what? Ammeter. Current is measured with the ammeter. Of course, the position of the ammeter is clearly mentioned in the circuits, electrical circuits like this, and the ammeter should be connected in series. The ammeter should be connected in series with the circuit. The ammeter's position is in series only. So electric current flows in the circuit. How the electric, here I have presented the circuit once again, electrical circuit. Here we have connected the circuit with using the battery, bulb, ammeter and a plug key. Now the positive terminal is given to the bulb, and the negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the battery via ammeter and the plug key. Here the direction of the current flows from positive terminal of the battery. The electric current flows in the circuit from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal through bulb, ammeter and the key. Okay. How this current moves in this electrical circuit from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of it through bulb, ammeter and the key, all are connected in a series. Okay, and the importance of key I have already mentioned in the previous class. So when we put the key inside, when this is a key, if we put the key inside, the circuit is closed, and we just take out the key, the circuit is open, just like on off in the case of our switches in our home, to switch on the light or switch off the light. Okay, when we switch off the light, the circuit is open. There is no possibility of flowing of current through the circuit. Once the switch is on, this circuit is completed and the charge flows continuously. Okay, that is why when we switch on the light, automatically light is on, and when we turn off the switch, automatically power will go. Okay, that is the importance of this terms here. You should remember them. What is ampere? What is meant by ampere? And what are the units of current? And how much charge is equivalent to 1 ampere? And what is it expressed in terms of electrical charge? And all these things I have given here. So try to remember these things, which are very, very important. 1 ampere is equal to 6, it is equivalent to the charge contained in nearly 6 into 10 power of 18 electrons. For example, 10 power 2 is equal to 100. 10 power 3 is equal to 1000. 10 power 4 is equal to 10,000. 10 power 5 is equal to 1 lakh. 10 power 6 is equal to 6 zeros after 1. 10 power 7 is equal to 7 zeros after 1. 10 power 8 is equal to 8 zeros after 1. So this much 6 into 6 into 10 power of 8 is equal to 8 zeros after this one. If we express in our Indo-Arabic number system, this is 60 crores. So 1 ampere is equal to the charge contained in 60 crores of electrons. That much of energy, that much of charge which is equivalent to 1 electron. Okay, 60,000 electrons. The charge contained, this much of electrons is equivalent to 1 ampere. The charge contained by 60 crores of electrons is equivalent to 1 ampere. Okay, now it is clear for you. In 1 electron, some amount of charge is there. Like that, 60 crores of electrons, the total charge is equal to, we don't know. That much is equal to 1 ampere. So 1 ampere is derived as see the charge contained in 6 into 10 to the power of 18 electron. My goodness, this is not this one, this is only 8. Of course, 18 means this into 10 power of 10. This into 10 power of 10. It is for us it is innumerable. We can't able to express it. So many trillions of electrons. 6 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Likewise, here I have presented the value of 6 into 10 power 8 is 60 crore. Similarly, 6 into 10 power of 18 is equal to, you count for this. We can't, actually we can write 6 into 18 zeros after 1. This much of value it is given. 6 into 10 power of 18 equal to this much. So this much of electrons charge is equivalent to 1 ampere. Okay, thank you.